Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. Here's a question. What is keto adaptation? Well, the first thing I want to differentiate is the difference between ketosis versus keto adapted, okay? If you just go to sleep at night and don't eat anything through the night and wake up, you're going to then eat breakfast and break the fast. You've been fasting and you probably were in ketosis, okay? You were fat burning at night. So that's ketosis. Keto adapted means that your body has developed new cellular machinery, new enzymes for fat burning. Okay, so most people have been running on glucose and sugar for their whole lives. And now we're going to adapt their body to what's called ketosis, which you're basically building new cellular machine. We're forcing our body to run on a different fuel source. And that takes between 2 to 3 plus weeks. And I think that I'll have to underline this plus. Unfortunately, it could take longer. It could take up to 6 weeks, okay? Now, some people experience body changes when they're going from here to here. They call them keto flu and rashes and all sorts of other issues. And those are all easily handled. And I put a link down below of what to do if you run into fatigue or this or that. You basically need more minerals and B vitamins, okay? You need sodium, potassium, and you probably need some B vitamins. Nutritional yeast works really good. And then throw that into the mix and that should reduce those effects. But when you're going through this transition, you're losing weight, but you are going to lose weight a little more later because you have not built up the full capacity of fat burning enzymes yet. So when you're fully keto adapted, you could burn some serious fat, where before you couldn't. So if you're discouraged starting out, just realize you haven't been keto adapted at this point yet, okay? So how do you know if you're keto adapted? Well, you don't have any more cravings for carbs at all. 0. You're not hungry, especially between the meals. You're very satisfied after the meal. If you eat a meal and then you basically have to keep eating because you're still not satisfied, you still have an insulin problem. So that's going to take some time. You don't have any headaches or don't have any blood sugar symptoms. You're not cranky if you skip a meal. Your mood is much better. You don't have the keto flu anymore. You don't feel tired or feel kind of funky. You feel really stabilized. You're satisfied and you don't need snacks. You can go long periods of time without eating. That's when we know you're in keto adaptation. So the percentage is 65 to 70% fat, dietary fat, 15 and 18% protein, and 10 to 15% carbohydrates. I'm going to put a link down with more specifics on what to eat, but I just wanted to I want to define this keto adaptation. And a lot of people have never adapted. They just keep doing ketosis, but then they're still doing the carbs, so it never really works. So to do this, you have to just commit to it, and you can't cheat. You have to just stick to this for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and then it'll be easier, and then keep sticking to it, okay? Thanks for watching. Just press it. Okay, that sounded crappy. Press the subscribe. Why can I say subscribe? Subscribe. Press. Hey, thanks for so much. Press the subscribe button. Now I forgot what to say. I will see you in the next videos. Subscribe to the press button and oh yeah, send you additional information. Press the subscribe button and I will keep you updated on the future events.